Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Alina Khan. In this video, we will learn about normal English versus advanced English. In normal English, I had a quiet weekend, but in advanced English, I had a low-key weekend. In normal English, you are welcome, but in advanced English, I am always here for you. In normal English, good night, but in advanced English, don't let the bed. In normal English, I am too busy, but in advanced, my plate is full. In normal English, I respect my grandfather, but in advanced English, I look up to my grandfather. In normal English, I think you are not serious and are just joking with me, but in advanced English, I think you are just pulling my leg. In normal English, leave me alone, but in advanced, give me a break. In normal English, see you later, but in advanced English, catch up. In normal English, take it easy, but in advanced English, it's fine. In normal English, it's very easy, but in advanced English, it's a piece of cake. In normal English, okay by me, but in advanced, okay with me. In normal English, disagree, but in advanced, not in my books. In normal English, I pay for it, but in advanced English, it's on me. In normal English, how are you? But in advanced English, what's up, buddy? In normal English, I understand you, but in advanced English, I feel you. In normal English, he takes leave from work without permission when weather is nice, but in advanced English, he takes French leave when weather is nice. In normal English, I am confused, but in advanced English, I am perplexed. In normal English, I am in a bad situation, but in advanced English, I am in hot water. In normal English, I am gonna enjoy, but in advanced English, I am gonna live it up. In normal English, an ideal situation, but in advanced English, best of both worlds. Thank you for watching our video.